Hey guys, today I'll show you how to create keyboard shortcuts for faster typing on your Android. So let's get started. So simply open the Settings app and then tab into the search. And here enter text correction. Suggest text corrections. And here in the text shortcuts, you can add a shortcut. So here enter the shortcut phrase and here enter the expanded phrase. For example, you want to do email, so here you can enter those symbols and then here enter your email. And also you can do that for a standard work message. So also let's do a standard work message. So in the shortcut field, enter work, for example, and in the expanded phrase field, enter the phrase. For example, let's do thank you for your inquiry. And then tap add. And also let's do a casual greeting. For example, how are you doing? So tap plus and then in the shortcut enter the shortened phrase. For example, how are you doing? And here enter the expanded phrase. How are you doing? And also you can do this shortcut for your home address. So enter in the shortcut home, and for the expanded phrase, enter your address. And then tap add. And then let's try it in the app. So let's try it in the messaging app. For example, I will use WhatsApp. So open your messaging app, open the chat, and enter the shortcut. So the Gmail works, the work also works. Let's also try the home and a single greeting. So now you know how to use shortcuts on your Android. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.